What's up guys, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to get started with affiliate marketing. We're going to be looking at some of the products which you can promote, as well as some of the networks which you can join to get access to those products. That way you should be able to start earning money as soon as possible. If you're new here, my name is John, and on this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, Shopify dropshipping, as well as print on demand, which is one of my favourites. I also talk about creating content sites and a bit about personal finance as well. So affiliate marketing. The thing is, what I like about affiliate marketing is you can get started with very little or sometimes even no money. You can start affiliate marketing from pretty much anywhere in the world, and I think you can turn it into a genuine business opportunity. Now, I will point out here, I don't have any courses to sell, nothing like that, so I'm just hoping to provide some genuine information that can help those who want to get started with affiliate marketing. If that's something that does sound interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click that little bell to get notified as soon as I release a new video, and don't forget to hit that like button as it really does help me out. For those who don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you get a product or a service that another company sells, and then you get a link that would link to their product. So you could get this link and you could share it on your social media, you could share it on your blog, you could share it on YouTube in the description, and if someone actually clicks on that link and then goes and buys that product or service, then they would pay you a cut of that sale as a thank you for referring that customer. So I'll just give you a couple of examples. So for example, most people shop on Amazon. Now, they have a program called the Amazon Associates program, and they will pay you a commission for every sale that you send to buy something on Amazon. So for example, say I want to promote something like a vacuum cleaner. I could promote that vacuum cleaner on my site or my blog. I could log into my Amazon Associates account. They will generate a link that leads to the product page on Amazon. So then I could promote that link, and then when someone clicks on that link, they would then be sent to Amazon for that product page, and if they buy something within 24 hours, Amazon will then pay me a cut on that commission. Now, I think on a vacuum cleaner or something like that, Amazon pay around 7%. So not a massive commission, but if you think of a vacuum cleaner that might be say £300 or $300, then the commission would probably be about £21 or $21 depending on what currency you are and whether you buy it from Amazon UK or Amazon in the USA. So that's pretty much how Amazon affiliate marketing works. Now, to track the sales, it actually uses something which is called a cookie. Now, a cookie, depending on the offer that you're promoting, it can last for a day, it can last for a month, it can last for 90 days. What that actually means is that if a customer comes, say, to your site or clicks on a link that you provided on social media or on YouTube, for example, say the cookie length is 30 days, if they then go and buy that product within the next 30 days after clicking your link, then you will actually get a commission for that sale. But some affiliate marketing companies, like I said, you can deal with some companies and they offer a 30-day commission, some offer just a day commission, like Amazon offers 24-hour commission, whereas a lot of other retail companies, they actually offer 30-day commission, and some software companies, they'll even offer like 90-day cookie, so that if you generate a sale within the next 90 days, after they click your link, you will still get a commission from that sale. I'll just jump in here and say, if you have any questions or any queries about anything I talk about on this video, then please feel free to leave a comment in below. I'll try and get back to all the comments that people leave or questions which you ask. So if you do have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Now that we've confirmed what affiliate marketing actually is and how it works, I just want to say I've been doing affiliate marketing now properly for around 4 years, probably quite a bit longer than that, but I've been serious about it for about 4 years. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click that little bell to get notified, and don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help me out and I very much appreciate it. Now, the first program I want to talk about is the Amazon Associates program. Now, a lot of people don't know that Amazon actually do have an affiliate program. So if you promote products from Amazon and people click on your links, Amazon will actually pay you a commission. Now, the thing about the Amazon Associates program is it's probably the easiest to get started with, but it's the hardest to make a significant amount of money with. The reason being is that a lot of the commissions are very small. Now, the commission payments for Amazon are between about 1 and 11% at the highest. They probably average at around 5 to 7%, something like that. But if you promote something like mobile phones, the commission rates are about 1%. So you can imagine how many phones you'd have to sell to make any sort of significant revenue. But if you promote things like clothes and shoes and fashion, then the commission rates are about 11%, and they even increase to, I believe, 12% if it gets above a certain amount. Now, this is for the Amazon Associates Program in the UK because that's what I'm a part of. I believe it's very similar, but perhaps a little bit different the way they pay the commissions if you're watching this from the United States. But the Amazon Associates Program is pretty much the same across all different countries. It's a great place to get started. So I will link to another video which I did where I explained on how I actually make passive income. So I'll link to that in the description. I might put it up here if I can, but it'll definitely be linked in the description if you want to go and check out that video once you've finished watching this video. So I'll just cut in here and say that with the Amazon Associates Program, you don't have to just promote the products, because like I just mentioned, the products can be very low percentages compared to other affiliate companies for the amount you're earning commissions. But on Amazon Associates Program, you can actually promote the Bounty Program. What this means is that you can promote Amazon Music, and I think they pay you around £4.50. You can promote Amazon Business, which is a business account. If you have a business channel, then Amazon actually have a program in which you can join and you get discounted products. You can pay on like a terms of 30-day terms like you do with a lot of businesses when they pay in invoices 30 days. So they have this Amazon Business account. Now, when I was on about how small the commissions were earlier, then if you promote Amazon Business, for example, and get people to sign up to Amazon Business, then they will actually pay you a commission of £25 for every person who signs up to Amazon Business. So I'll quickly go over how you can promote these links so you can start earning commissions. Now, there's a few obvious ones. You could start a YouTube channel. If you do that sort of route, I'd highly recommend that you niche down to a particular topic, and then you could review products. You could, if you did like how-to videos, things like that, then you could include links to products which you use or which you recommend. You could also start a content site, which is my favorite. So for example, I build sites which are on a particular niche. If it was in the gardening niche, I might look at the top 5 lawnmowers, or I might even look at top 5 trimmers, top 5 hedge trimmers. You could even go down the route of, say, top 5 plants for climbing up walls, and then promote them products. You could, if you had a content site, and then you could include those links with buy now buttons saying, if you want to buy this product, I'm buying it from Amazon, then you can link to them products, and then people will buy through your links on your content site, and then you will earn a commission. If you've got a large social media following, Instagram, Facebook, you could also promote the links through that to start promoting some of the affiliate programs which I've mentioned here. Now, for the next affiliate network, I was going to mention just one, but I'm caught between two different ones which I really like and which have been successful with both. The first one is Awin, and the second one is Commission Junction. Now, these two affiliate networks are probably two of the largest affiliate networks around. Now, you will recognize a lot of the companies that use this network. So for example, you would get companies like GTech, 23andMe. So there's literally thousands of companies that use these two networks to promote their products so they can connect with different affiliates who will promote their products for them. Now, I'll jump on my computer and I will show you inside both of the dashboards so you can get an idea of some of the companies and which you'll recognize, which you could promote, and I do recommend that you consider promoting. Right, so I've just jumped on my computer here. I'm just going to give you a quick overlook of the sort of companies that are included within these networks. So the first one we're looking at, Awin. Now Awin, if we're looking around here, we can see that there's a lot of companies. So if you look at BotB, I think that's how you pronounce it, then this is quite popular in the UK. I'm not sure about other countries, but it's one of these car competitions where you would pay so much and you'd be entered into competition to win a car. And like I said, in the UK, I've seen it advertised on Tell, I see it advertised a lot. But if we just click on this, we'll be able to just have a quick look. So I've just had a quick look, so we can see now that we've logged in, we can see the terms, but more importantly, if we look down here, we can see the commission. So for the commission, if you was to sign up and promote this network, you would earn 30% of the price of the tickets purchased. So if we just go back, again, we'll just have a look at some more. So let's have a look at another page. So you got lastminute.com there for holidays if you wanted to promote holidays. Prestige Flowers. You got StubHub, which sells tickets to concerts, things like that. You got Gusto as well. Let's have another quick nose there. So you got GB Posters. You got Oxfam the charity. You got Sheila's Wheels Motor Insurance. So as you can see, there's quite a lot. We're actually selected the United Kingdom there. So if we take that off, we can see what else comes up. So you got Nova Scotia Limited, you got Prezibox, Britannia Hotels, Print Inks. So as you can see, there's quite a lot there. Now I'll go over to one of the other networks, which is Commission Junction, which is another network which I highly recommend. So I'm logged in here now, and this is Commission Junction. So if you look at these, there's a lot of companies here which you can promote depending on where you are. You've got hosting such as 123reg. Now hosting is actually quite a popular choice because it pays quite high commissions, but it is quite competitive. But if we look at something like 23andMe, for example, now if you don't know what 23andMe is, 23andMe is where you take your DNA, then it gets sent off, and then it links you up to see what your history is of your DNA, or what countries your DNA can be tracked to and things like that. But if we click on 23andMe, you can see, if we go down, wait for it now, some more info we're seeing here, you can see that you will earn a $10 commission per kit on the health and ancestry service purchases, and a $5 commission per kit on the ancestry service purchases generated through the affiliate program. And the cookie, as you can see, it's a 45-day referral period, which is really good. So, like I said, there's a lot of companies on which you can promote. They just go on forever. There is literally thousands of companies on these networks where you can look through and you can sign up. Now I would recommend that you at least sign up for both of these networks and just have a look around and just see what sort of programs there are that you're interested in, that you think you can promote, and then you can also decide how you might try and promote then. Do you start a YouTube channel? If you've already got a social media following or a large Instagram audience, perhaps you could look through these affiliate networks, and then you could see if there's any companies that tie in with your social media following. If you have a YouTube channel, again, you can look at some of these products that you might consider promoting. I would also maybe look at starting a content site. That's what I mainly do. What I will say is I would only really promote products that you either use or you've done a lot of research on and you're confident that they are good products, because if you start promoting products that are absolutely rubbish and you promote them to your audience, they'll soon catch on to what you're doing, that you're just doing it for commissions. So you really do want to provide value. It might mean, like we're just looking at 23andMe, you could perhaps buy that kit, that 23andMe, and then you could try it out yourself. You could perhaps get another one that's the same as 23andMe. Then you could compare the two services and perhaps do a video on YouTube on 23andMe against another service. And then you could say, well, I like this one better because, or I like this one better because, and then you could have links to both, because they'll both have affiliate programs. So then you can have links to both. So if they watch your video about that particular service where you take your DNA and you see your history, then if they use 23andMe, you could get a commission. Or if they use another service which you compared it against, then you'd get a commission from that too. So it just depends on how you want to go out, but I would definitely recommend that you only promote products that you either use or you've done a lot of research on. But there's nothing better than a product which you actually use yourself. When I first started out with affiliate marketing, I actually started promoting products I actually had. So I'll give you a couple of examples. At the time, I had a new cordless Hoover. So I decided I was going to do a video on that. So I did a video and reviewed the cordless Hoover. I put it onto YouTube, and I've actually generated quite a few sales from that through the Amazon Associates program. Something else I also did was my MacBook, which you can see here. I was looking for the best monitor for it at the time. I did quite a lot of research to see if I could find the best monitor which worked with my MacBook Pro, and I come up with this Acer. I bought it and it worked great. So I actually did a video on YouTube. If you check out my channel, I think you'll actually see it. There's a video where I actually compare when I'm using this Acer monitor and how well it works with this MacBook Pro and whether I would recommend it. I obviously would recommend it because I use it and I've had it for 2 or 3 years now. So I did a review on that, and since then I've actually sold quite a few of the monitors I use also through the Amazon Associates program, just by having that link at the bottom of my page. So like I said, I would look around of any products you've got around the home, what you use daily, and look at doing reviews of the products you've got. So yeah, I would look at the products you've got around your home, which you already use, and I would perhaps look at doing videos on them, or perhaps starting a blog and you could review the products you've got in your home. But if you're doing products in your home, I definitely recommend going down YouTube route. If you want to go long term with this and you're looking for something that's a bit more passive, then I would recommend that you create some sort of content site, which is what I mentioned I do. Now on my sites, I actually have where I review products. I've got products where I use both the Amazon Associates program, which I promote. I also promote companies that are on Commission Junction, as well as on other affiliate marketplaces. I might review, for instance, a certain lawnmower, but then I might give the customer, the person who visits my site, comparing them, looking at my reviews, I might give them, say, 3 or 4 different places where they can buy them. Not all of them I earn a commission, but most of the companies in which you can buy products from, which I promote, they do have an affiliate program, so I include an affiliate link to them. So if they buy the product, then I do get commission for the sales. If you've liked this video, if you could give it a like, that would really help me out. If you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when I release a new video. And if you have any questions about anything I've discussed on this video, then don't forget, you can ask it in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. I'll try and get back to them all. And yeah, so if you like this video, give it a like, and I'll see you next time.